Stephen Ewing, Business Intelligence Manager from Do My Own.
Thanks, Billy.
Also, I'm just not like doing email while I'm up here, just so everybody knows.
Hi, everyone. My name's Steve Ewing. I'm from DoMyOwn.com. DoMyOwn.com started in 2004 by a couple of brothers, and it's one of the largest and fastest growing online retailers of pest control and lawn care products. And we have a really strong customer service team. That's really what differentiates us from our competition. And we use Domo throughout the whole organization, from marketing, commercial sales, our warehouse analytics, customer service analytics, sales forecasting for the management team, analysis of weather trends, for purchasing, the inventory turns, all the normal stuff that you would see, product lifecycle tracking, market basket analysis, bundles tracking. We use Domo for all of that. But what I want to talk to you, I want to give you guys one quick take home, and that's the ARRA plugin. It's my favorite part of Domo. The ARRA plugin, you can install it from Domo's GitHub repository, and it has 3 functions that let you pull in data from Domo into ARRA, and then you could push it back up into Domo and create a data set in Domo, or replace an existing data set in Domo. And with just those 3 functions, we could do a lot of stuff. And I'm going to give you an example real quickly, because a lot of people just talk about what they do. This is how it's done. So like I said, we're pest control and lawn care, so we have a really seasonal business. So if you see over in that top chart over there, that's our orders by day. So you can see that we go down a lot in the winter and there's a big spike in the summer. And we also have, since we're an online retailer, we have weekly seasonality as well. So our weekends are really low. Nobody's on their computer. Everybody does their online shopping from work, right? So our weekends are really low compared to our weekdays. So if you want to forecast that, you can't just use, the normal out-of-the-box forecasting that's available inside Domo. So what we do is we have a ETL over there. You can see it's pretty simple. It takes our orders table, and then it just groups everything by day and sums up the total orders for the day. So what you can do is, over here this is all of the code for the whole forecast to get the forecast you see on the bottom corner. So all you're doing is loading in your Domo customer number and your access token to initialize Domo, fetching that data series, and that long code you see next to fetch, that's in the URL for the data set. Real simple. Once you have that in there, all you have to do is apply multiple seasonal trend, which is that one line of code, and then put it into the forecast. Lambda 0 there, that's the box-cox transformation parameter. Don't worry about that. It just means it can't go below 0. And h equals 365 is your forecast horizon, meaning you're going out 365 days into the future. And ETS model is just an additive errors. So all that's doing is taking that time series up there and trying to find the seasonal patterns for it, and then projects forward using an additive model, and then adds on that seasonal trend. So you can see here, all I did was take the data set that we downloaded from Domo, I stuck on that multiple seasonal trend, forecasted it, and then added on those fitted values for the forecast. And then that's that data to data, and then the pipe. And then below that, with the next year, that's just taking that forecasted values for the future, and also the prediction intervals, so the 80% prediction interval and 95% prediction interval, adding those to the data frame, binding those 2 frames together and passing it up to Domo, and then you end up with that nifty little chart in the bottom right. And then you can automate it really simply. The nice thing about R is you could use the Windows Task Manager to just completely automate it. So this is just saying, use the Task Manager. You're going to open up that file. So you're going to use your rscript.exe and open it up in the folder that has your script, and then the name of the file. And then you could set that to run every day, and it'll push up your multiple seasonal forecast. Real simple. So that's how you can do a multiple seasonal forecast in R real quickly.
Awesome. Well done.